In this example, it says that in triangle DST, angle D is 47 degrees, side D is 78 centimeters, and side S is 106 centimeters. And we're asked to determine the measure of angle S. So we're going to draw a triangle. And label the information that was given. So if I call this angle D, I know the angle is 47 degrees. Side D is going to be across from angle D and is 78 centimeters. Now, it doesn't matter which side you call side S. I'm going to call this side S. And that would mean that the angle across from it is angle S. The remaining angle is angle T, and the remaining side would be side T that's across from it. Okay. We need to determine angle S. Okay. So to determine angle S, we're going to use the sine law. And the reason we're going to use the sine law is because we have two sides and an angle across from one of those sides. And using the letters in the triangle, the sine law would start as side D over sine of angle D, which will equal to side S over sine of angle S, which will equal to T over sine of angle T. Okay? Now we have to choose two out of these three ratios to use. Well, we definitely have to use the one that contains angle S, since that is what we're asked to find. We also have to use a ratio whose side and angle we know. So we know side D and we know angle D. We're not going to use the ratio containing side T and angle T. Next, we sub in all the information. So for side D, I sub in 78, for angle D, 47. For side S, 106. And I'm going to leave angle S as a variable. Next, I cross multiply. So 78 times sine of angle S will equal to 106 times sine of 47. To get sine of angle S by itself, I have to divide both sides by 78. And then I would enter this into the calculator. Giving me a ratio of 0.9939. Now remember, you have to use 4 digits after the decimal when it comes to trigonometric ratios. If you don't use 4 digits, your answer will not be accurate enough. Okay, the next step, once we figure out the ratio, we can find the angle using the inverse of sine followed by that ratio. So that just involves hitting shift or your second button followed by sine and the ratio. And that gives us an answer of 83.67 degrees.